Hi, my name is Elizabeth Krasnov, and my company is called Sound Medicine, and I wanted to put together a short demo on how you could use crystal bowls in your yin yoga meditation classes, either as a teacher or if you have a personal practice that you like to include bowls in. So one bowl is fantastic. Some of the issue is that when you're traveling from class to class and moving around during the day, these can be heavy to carry. But if you have two smaller bowls, you can stack them. They can be carried one inside the other, and you won't add too much equipment, but you'll add a lot of possibilities for creating sound textures during the sound meditation portion of your yoga class. The 4 different combinations that immediately become available to you are just resonating the first bowl or striking the first bowl. There's usually a sweet spot right in the top third of the rim where you can get a pretty good sound. See, that's very different from if you strike down here or too high. Right here in the middle, that was a little hard. And then as soon as you catch a little bit of resonance, and you don't want to go on too long and make the sound too intense, or you could crack the bowl, but just a nice hit there. Space to breathe and let the vibrations emanate out. So you can also strike the bowl almost like a gong. So that's 2 patterns right there. Then if you bring another bowl in, again, you have the same options. Strike or resonate. And then you can have the bowls play together. All sorts of pretty cross frequencies that happen. So this bowl happens to be a G sharp, which resonates the thymus gland. These are your basic crystal bowls, quartz. This is more of a specialty bowl. It's F sharp. It's a heart bowl. F sharp also corresponds with thymus. Textures there. So I hope that helps bring some more sound into your yoga teaching practice. And if you have any questions, you can reach me on my website at sound-medicine.com. Happy meditation, happy sound meditation.